consecutive sequence given an unsorted array of integer nums. Return the length of the longest consecutive elements sequence. You must write an algorithm that runs in of n time. So we can see that example one, our nums array, and the output is 4. And the explanation, the longest consecutive elements is 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, its length is a 4. Example 2, we have our nums array, and we looking at this quickly. It says the output is 9. Looking at this quickly, we can see that it's from 0 to 8, and that's how we got 9. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's how we got 9, counting them. So now we can get into this. So this problem, we can check the number quickly with a set. Use set for a quick one check for Q01 check. So let's make it num set equals to set, and then put our nums in it, nums, and then let's make our longest num longest streak. Zero. Start off from 0. So now let's make our loop for num and nums. If so for num is number, if num set if num not, so if the previous value num minus, if num minus 1, whichever value that is. So for example here, we're going to check this. This is not here, but this one, nums minus 1, is in here. So not in num set. Let's make current num equals to 1, and then let's make current streak equals to 1. This is num, this should be num. So now let's go ahead and go down. So while current num plus 1 in our num set let's go ahead and make our current num to be the next value, which is 1 plus 1. So example here, once we come here, plus 1 will be 2, and then our current streak will be 2. So we add 1 to it. 1. So now we are going to check our longest streak. So longest streak will be equals to whichever is higher. So that'll be the longest streak that we have so far thus far, or current streak. And now let's go ahead and return longest streak. let's see if there's any syntax errors, and that should work. Let's see, and it's been accepted. So time and space complexity are O of n. So the longer numbers we have in our nums, that's how much we're going to have in our num set, and space complexity. So the longer nums we have, the more we have to go through our num set. And that's it. Let's submit to see if it's going to pass all cases. And it's been able to pass all cases. That's it for this problem.